What is the mere exposure effect? The mere exposure effect is a psychological phenomenon where people tend to develop a preference for things simply because they are familiar with them. The more often individuals encounter a stimulus, such as a brand, product, or person, the more likely they are to like it. This effect is powerful in shaping attitudes and behaviors, especially in marketing and branding. Our brains have developed all sorts of patterns that can influence our decisions without us being aware of it, and these can be used for good or bad by companies and by people. When we experience something that's familiar, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine, which reinforces our positive feelings towards it. It could be good or bad, it doesn't matter, but purely by seeing something repetitively, we are being primed to feel positively about that thing. Applications. The mere exposure effect can be leveraged in various areas, including advertising, product placements, social media strategies, and even personal relationships. Brands often use repetition in their marketing strategies to enhance familiarity and preference. Consistently being in front of potential customers can give you an advantage over other brands who are less consistent. If someone's never engaged with you or is unfamiliar with your brand, it'll be much more difficult to make any kind of business deal. However, if they've had an opportunity to engage with your content and understand your message, that in turn will make them a lot more open. The mere exposure effect should be used wisely and not too aggressive or forced, which could cause the horn effect, a negative perception of one aspect. This is not a call to action, but a priming and awareness tool. How can you use the mere exposure effect to your advantage? Increase your visibility by making an effort to be engaged or present in social activities. People love feeling heard and valued. When you interact, show genuine interest, ask questions, listen attentively, and remember personal details. By consistently engaging with others, you'll gain familiarity and increase their liking for you. Consistency. People are more comfortable around those who display consistency in their beliefs, actions, and values, making it easier for people to feel a connection with. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.